Yeah. Hello. Hello. Good evening, Jessie.
Xe ơi,
Hi.
xe cô vô rồi nè. Hai teacher. Xe
Hello.
ơi, cô vô rồi kìa con.
Hello. Good
Đây
evening,
con.
Jessie. It's nice to see you again. Wow. Hello. How are you today, Jessie? Are you happy
I'm good.
today? You're good. Wow. That's good to know. Did you already eat your dinner?
Yes.
Yes. Yes. Okay. So now, are you ready for the continuation of our lesson 3 for today? Are
Yeah.
you? Yes. Okay. So for our lesson 3, so we will have a story. So the title of our story is I'm I'm great. O- Okay, one more time. I say I'm great.
I'm good.
O- Okay, very good. So now let's again listen to the story so that we can be able to review. What is the story all about? So let me just play the sound here.
Page 8. Lesson 3. Story.
Can you hear the
A.
sound?
Talk about the pictures. Then listen and read. I'm great.
I'm great.
Hi, Emma. How are you? I'm fine. Thank you. How are you? I'm good. Hi, Danny. How are you? I'm okay. Look! Mike! 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 How are you, Mike? I'm great. Thank you.
Okay, so that is for our
Page
story.
8.
For our story, I'm great. So
But
now,
I don't see your picture.
ah,
But I don't see your pictures.
oh, you cannot see the picture?
Yes, I can see already.
Oh,
Yes.
we can only see a
But
picture
I
but no
see
video.
here.
Oh, can you see it?
I can see already.
Yes.
Yes.
But did you hear the story? Did you hear the story earlier?
No.
I know. How about this one?
No.
Page 8. Lesson
Can you hear it?
Yes. 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 Yes.
Okay, so let's listen one more time.
3. Story. A. Talk about the pictures. Then listen and read. I'm great.
Hi, Emma. How are you? I'm fine. Thank you. How are you? I'm good. Hi, Danny. How are you? I'm okay. Look! Mike! 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 How are you, Mike? I'm great. Thank you.
Okay, so that is our story or lesson number 3 about I'm. What is our story again? It's all about I'm.
Great.
I'm
I'm great.
great. Okay. Okay, very good. So now let's read the story here. So can you read first this one? Hi, Emma. How are you?
Hi. Hi, Emma. How are you?
I'm fine. Thank you. How are you?
Thank you. How are you? I'm
I'm
good.
good. Very good. Next. Hi, Danny.
Hi, Danny. How are you? I'm okay.
Next. Look, Mike.
My.
Very good. Next. How are you, Mike?
How are you? My. Um.
I'm
I'm.
great.
I'm great. Thank you.
Okay, very good. So that is our story. So now let's take a look at this one. So we,
Why story is very short?
what? It's
Why
very,
story short?
the story is short. I don't know why the story is short, but that is for our story. But we will tackle what is the story about. Okay, so for this one, we have here a question. So, how are you? So, we ask this question. So, as what teacher said last class, so we ask this question to know how someone feels, especially when you get along with your friends and you didn't see each other for a long time. So you want to know how your friend feel today. So you will ask, "How are you today?" So your friend will answer, "What is he or she feeling right now?" For example, this one. Example, this one is your friend. So your friend said, "I'm fine, thank you." So your friend also asks, "How are you?" So how are you today, Jessie? How are you?
I'm good.
I'm good. Thank you. So very good. So that is how we answer this question, especially in this story. So we have here, how are you? I'm okay. I'm great. Thank you. So we can have other words when answering how are you based on how we feel that day. Example, so when our friend asks us, "How are you on this day?" But this day we are sad. So our friend asks, "How are you today, Jessie?" So for example, you are sad today, Jessie. So you can answer, "I'm sad today." So that is how you answer, "How are you?" So now let's have here our value. So can you read this one? Can you read this one, Jessie? Below, can you see? Be
B E
friendly.
B
Friendly. Be?
friendly.
Okay, very good. So be friendly. So when we say be friendly, so it is being friendly to other people. So we are like when we met one person that we don't know. So it is about smiling, talking kindly, or making them feel good or feel welcome. So we are asking them this question, "How are you?" because we want to get to know with them. So being friendly, it means sharing. Being friendly is sharing good words, sharing or showing respect, and being a nice friend. So now teacher has a question for you, Jessie. Are you friendly at school? In your school, are you friendly?
Yes.
Yes, wow. How many friends? How many friends do you have at your school? How many friends? Do you have
20,
a lot of friends? Wow, you have 20 friends?
25.
25. Wow, that's a lot of friends. Wow, you are very, very friendly because you have a lot of friends. 25. Okay. Who is among those 25 friends of yours? Who is your best friend? So when we say best friend, it is the person who is very close to us. Do you have a
It
best friend?
is up. It's up.
Oh, what is the name of your best friend?
It's up.
How do you spell that one? Is it this one?
O
Out?
cờ
O?
O cờ ốc sắc ốc.
Oh,
O
O? How do you
cờ
spell? Olga?
Oka.
O
OAC.
OC? OAC. Is that correct? Okay. No.
Don't have a. It don't have
Oh,
a.
oh, he don't have a name? Is your best friend he a girl or a boy?
It's girl. It's girl.
Is
It's
she's a
she.
girl. Oh, so she's a she. So she's a girl. So my girl or my best friend is a girl. So wow, that's very good to know that you have a best friend. Okay, so your closest
I have
friend.
the queen. I have the queen.
You have what?
I have the queen.
You have the queen?
Yeah.
Yes. Wow, that's very
Queen.
okay, wow, that's very good to know. So good job. Good job, Jessie. So that is being friendly. Okay. So next, so let's have this activity. So for this activity, we will listen and number based on the story that we have. So let's take a look first. So let's review first our story, and
I
after that, we will, okay, let's review first our story. And after that, so we will number. Okay, so take a look at the story first and tell teacher whenever you're ready in the activity. Okay,
will.
are you ready now? Do
Yes.
you want to? Okay, so let's do the activity. So we will number the activity based on what we have. Okay, let's first listen to this one. Okay,
Page 9.
can you hear that?
B. Listen and
Yes.
number. 1,
Okay, number one.
How are you, Mike? I'm great.
1,
How are you, Mike? I'm great. Thank you.
Okay, so now let's take a look at these pictures. Where do you think in these four pictures is Mike? Or there is Mike? Do you want to take a look at the story? Hmm, no? Okay, so who is Mike in this picture? Is this Mike? Yes or no?
No.
No. How about this one? Is this Mike?
Hmm.
No. Is this Mike? No. How about
No.
this? Is this Mike? Is this Mike? Is it a yes or no? Yes. Okay, so this is Mike. So let's take a look again at our story for us to check
And then
what for us to check what does Mike looks like. Okay. So let's check. So this is it- this is this is Mike. Can you hear teacher? I think your signal is somehow your signal is or you are having a problem with your signal. Be- because I can hear you. I cannot hear you clearly.
And I don't know.
Can can you hear me, Jessie? Can you hear teacher? Hello? Um, hello, Jessie? I think there's a problem with Okay, so I cannot hear you clearly. I think there is a problem with the signal. But can you hear teacher? Okay, if you, oh, you are back again. Can you hear me now? Is it clear? Hello? I can't hear you. Oh no. Hello, Jessie? Hello? Oh no, I can't hear Jessie. Hmm. Hello? Oh, your microphone. I think your microphone is off. Hello? Oh, okay. I can now hear you.
Okay.
I can now
Okay.
hear.
Are you doing? You can speak, please. You can hear
I
me?
I cannot see you, but I can hear you.
You
You don't have a video in me, but it's okay. At least I can hear you. I can now hear you. Yes. Okay. So now let's go back with our activity. So let's take a look at this boy. So who is this boy, Jesse? This is what what is the name of this boy with the glasses? It's or
is
he is Mike. Very good.
me.
Okay. He is Mike. So now, so is this Mike?
You yes.
Yes. Okay, very good. So this will be our number one. So let's again listen to number one.
1,
How are you, Mike?
Number one.
I'm great. Thank you.
Okay. So now, what did the girl ask to Mike?
Hmm.
What did the girl ask?
How are you, Mike?
What did Mike answer?
How are you, Mike?
What did Mike said? I'm great.
And my answer,
I'm great.
I am cute.
Great. Thank you. Very good. So that is our number one. So now let's go to number two.
2,
Two.
Hi, Danny. How are you? I'm okay.
Hi, Danny. Hi, Danny. How are
Hi.
you? Okay.
Wow, very good. Hi, Danny. How are you? I'm okay. So now, where do you think in this four picture is Danny? Where is Danny?
Danny. Danny.
Is this is this Danny?
It's yes.
Yes, very good. So this is
Yes.
Danny. So let's
It's
put, oh,
Danny.
let's put number two to this one. So good job. So next, let's listen to number three.
Number
3,
three.
Mike! Mike!
4,
Okay,
Mike.
what did the girl say? Mike?
Mike.
O- o-
Mike.
Okay, very good. And where do you think is the girl that said Mike? Mike, where is she? Is this the girl? Ye-
Yes, yes, yes. It's
yes,
three.
very good. So this is number three. And for our last number, what
Three.
did the girls said?
4,
Hi,
Four.
Emma. How are you? I'm fine. Thank you. How are you? I'm fine. Thank you.
Okay, what did the girl said? Hi.
Hi.
Hi, Anne.
Hi, Emma. How are you?
I'm I'm
And
What did
fine.
Emma answer? I'm fine.
I'm fine. Thank you.
Okay, very good. Wow, you are a good listener. So good job. So that is for our numbering activity. So good job. So let's check if all of your answers are correct. So let's take a look at the next page. Okay, so very good. So we have here Mike for number 1, Danny for number 2. So this is the girl, which is Emma for number 3 that says Mike, Mike. And number 4 is this. So very good. So good job in this listening and numbering activity. So now let's move on to our song here. So let's listen to our song. And after the song, so teacher will have a question.
Page 9. C.
Page 9.
Sing. Hi, how are you?
Hi, how are you?
I'm fine, thank you. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. Hi, how are you?
I'm fine, thank you. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. How are you?
I'm fine. How are you?
I'm okay. How are you?
I'm fine. I'm great.
Hi, how are you?
I'm fine, thank you. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
Hi, how are you? I'm fine, thank you. How are you? I'm fine, thank you. Hi, how are you? I'm fine, thank you. How are you? I'm fine, thank you. How are you? I'm fine. How are you? I'm okay. How are you? I'm fine. I'm great. Hi, how are you? I'm fine, thank you. How are you? I'm fine, thank you.
Okay, so that is for our song. So what is our song all about, Jessie? It's all about hi.
Hi,
How
how
are
are
you?
you?
Okay, very good. And what did the children answered with the question, how are you? I'm
Fine,
fine.
thank you.
Okay, very good. What is another answer? They said, I'm
I'm okay.
I'm okay. And the last one will be I'm
I'm great.
very good. So for this answer, so this is how we answer. How are you? So I'm fine. I'm okay. I'm great. So it depends also with what you feel right now. If you are sad, you can answer, I'm sad today. Thank you. So how are you? So if you are angry, you can answer, how are you? With I'm angry today. How about you? How are you? So that is how we answer, how are you? Okay, so very good. So next, so let's have here another activity. So this activity will be a role play. So we will act. Okay, so I will be this boy and Jessie will be this girl. Okay, so I will start. So how are you?
I'm fine,
How
thank
are you?
you.
Okay, very good. I'm fine. Thank you. So next, let's have another scenario here. So for example, so teacher will be this woman and Jessie will be this girl. Okay. So now you can be creative with how you will answer how are you based on your or what you feel today. So now I will go first. So how are you today?
Um, I'm happy today.
Wow, I'm happy today. And what what will be the following words? We will say thank.
Thank you.
Okay, very good. So don't forget this one because it is how we politely answer those people who ask us, how are you? So next, let's have another a role play. So last one. So teacher will be this guy and Jesse will be this boy. So now, how
It's a
are
boy.
you? It's a boy, yes. How are you today? What will be your answer? Hmm. I'm
Me today.
what did you say?
Me today. I thank you.
Can you tell that one more time? Because your voice is uh somehow choppy. I'm what
I'm
did you say again?
angry.
Happy?
Angry today. Angry.
Ah, angry. I'm angry today. Thank you. Wow, okay. So very good. Good job. Good job for
You.
thank you. Okay, so good job, Jessie, for applying all of the things that we learned today. So about how are you? So I'm or the story, which is all about I'm great. So very good because I can see that you can apply with how you feel or you can answer this question depends or based on how you feel today. So good
Please.
job. so so for this lesson, Jessie, for you to be able for you to be able to continue applying this in real life scenarios, so teachers suggest that you use this, especially when you are talking with your friends or when you are at school. So when you are talking with your friends, you can ask them, how are you today? So they can answer based on what they feel. And also, if they ask you the same question, so you will answer based on what you feel. So that is how are you. So wow, so we had finished this lesson. So now let's check what will be our lesson next class. So let me just open. Oh, we have lesson 4. Okay.
Oh.
Let, oh, let
Why?
me just
Why
open
you so? Why you so big?
this one. So lesson 4. So this will be why you so big? Because I removed the share screen. That's why I'm big. Okay, so for this one, for our lesson 4, so this will be for our next class. So do you know what do we call this in the picture?
Oh,
What are
it's
these? These are what are
is
these?
these are shape, right? I see so many shape.
Okay, very good. So these are shapes. There are so many shapes in the picture.
It,
So
it's so
let's
funny.
it's so funny. Okay. So in these shapes, Jessie, what is your favorite shape? What's your
Yeah.
favorite shape?
It's hot and it's
Oh,
hot and 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 star.
oh, star and heart. Wow. Same.
And
My favorite.
diamond too. And diamond too.
Wow, that's very good. Good job. So for this one, we will talk about these shapes in our next class. Okay. So you did a
What I
great job.
see.
You, yes.
Oh,
So you did great. Okay. So you did a great job for today, Jessie. And I hope to see you again soon. So goodbye. So teacher has another goodbye. See you
goodbye.